Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, in this video we are going to discuss with the different updates which coming from the different companies. So let's start this particular video. Okay, so first of all we will start with the biggest change in the TCS Capgemini Wipro Cognizant Infosys onboarding and joining update. So what are the biggest changes is going to be happen if you are waiting for the onboarding and joining? So first of all let's start with the first of all we will discuss the May'23 assessment schedule for TCS LP Wings 1 who are going to give. Okay, so here you can see my screen learning eligibility cutoff date. Okay, 30th April, registration cutoff 3 April to 30th April. Okay, unit elective external certification completion. So this is a May'23 assessment schedule for TCS LP, or if you want more details for this for the particular assessment schedule, I already created a separate video because this is a very long topic. Okay, so I have already a Telegram channel, so you should join the Telegram group in which you can ask any question if you have. Okay, so how we can register for this? So you can register via your portal. Okay, where you are accessing your all the modules for upgrading your profile ninja to digital. Okay, so there you are going to be access also. Okay, just keep this screenshot with you guys because this is a assessment schedule in the month of May. Okay, so let's see the next update. Okay, so this is the IPA. Okay, so who all are going to give the IPA exam? They are going to give a high probability to getting a joining. As you can see, securing an IPA of 55 or higher qualify you as a business ready, allowing you to prioritize your onboarding and gain other benefits. The planning and execution of the proprietary assessment is carried out based on your registration for the assessment. By skipping the participation, one of your colleagues may miss out of the opportunity to appear the assessment due to limited infrastructure available at each location. Every assessment opportunity is important, so we will request you to appear for the registered assessment. Okay, so this is the IP exam, and this is the Cognizant. Okay, so you can see the FT onboarding during the month of July 23. So this is the batch of 22 and 23 batch candidates. Okay, those are candidates receiving this kind of mail who didn't accepted the intern. They are going to be on board directly as a full-time employee after joining the company. You are supposed to get a give a CSD program, and after completing the CSD program and the internship CSD program, and after completing the SME evaluation interview, then only you are getting a project, then only you are getting a full-time employment in the company. Okay, so this is update which is coming from the Cognizant team. Okay, so next, this is the IPA exam which held previously. Okay, so you can see the candidates score a MCQ 32 and coding is 50, and he got 82 scores. Okay, and the score ranges from 80 to 100 means the particular candidate is going to get a readiness incentive 40,000 and competency incentives of 20,000, and total he is getting a 60,000 in the second month of salary they are supposed to get. Okay, after joining the company. And this is a new join date which is coming from the Cognizant team for the batch of 22. Okay, CIS role. Okay, 2025 May 2023. Okay, so you can also check your joining dates in the Cognizant one external portal. There you will finding your joining dates also. Okay, and this is the update for the Capgemini. Your joining date is can be anytime during a final 3, and we shall communicate the same as soon as a relevant position becomes available within the Capgemini. Okay, so and also Capgemini said in the interview also that they the offer letter, the LOI is not an offer letter, so you can expect a delay. And also if you have a LOI, it doesn't mean that you are be a part of Capgemini. Once you receive your new offer letter in the month of August, September, October, November, whatever they are giving you expected date before ending the final year 23, you can expect your joining dates. But when it's not sure by the company also, because they already said that LOI is not an offer letter, so you can wait until they send you offer letter for confirmation joining. Okay, or so okay, so I think I discussed. So basically TCS residual joining updates are basically the TCS didn't yet announce any residual joining dates, but you can expect in the month of May you can expect the joining dates. Okay, so all the things I will discuss, I think so. Okay, so TCS I discussed IPA is mandatory for giving a joining. Capgemini said that the offer LOI is not an offer letter, so you can expect any time in between ending of this month a year. Okay, Wipro, so Wipro Elite phase 1, phase 2 and Turbo phase 1, phase 2, there is no proper update, so you can expect a delay for more month of delay like May, June you can expect also. Cognizant, they already said that they are going to onboard in the month of July as expected, and Infosys there is no proper updates, May onwards you can expect. Okay, so I think I discussed all the point. Yes, so if you have more doubt you can ask in comment section. This will be metal then. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.